Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best GY6 Big Bore Kit is probably one of the most sought-after modifications for scooter and ATV enthusiasts looking to boost performance, but with so many options available, choosing the right kit can be overwhelming. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting a Big Bore kit, ensuring you make an informed decision that maximizes your engine's potential and enhances your riding experience. Number 5. Glixal ATMT1-011 Kit. This kit is a powerful upgrade for your GY6 139 QMB 4-stroke engine. It's designed to boost performance and extend the life of your machine. It features a 50mm inner diameter cylinder and a 13mm outer diameter piston pin. These precise measurements ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a complete rebuild: cylinder, piston, rings, pin, clips, seals, and gaskets. Everything is included for a smooth installation. It's specifically designed for GY6 4-stroke engines with displacements ranging from 49 cubic centimeters to 100 cubic centimeters. Make sure to check your engine model before ordering. This kit offers a significant performance upgrade for your engine. Enjoy increased power and efficiency with this easy-to-install kit. What we like. This kit includes all the necessary components for a straightforward installation. It's perfect if you're comfortable with basic engine work and want a reliable performance boost for your GY6 139 QMB engine. If you need a complete solution without sourcing extra parts, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install and very high quality. Make sure you don't reuse your wrist pins. Got the kit. It came with all the parts. Once I got it installed, everything seemed to fit just fine. Awesome product. Huge increase in power. Took me about 1 to 1.5 hours to put in. Huge increase in power. I'd say my 2014 John Way has 3 times the power it had. The start-off acceleration is unbelievable compared to what it was. Number 4. RUTU 69mm GY6 Kit. This kit is designed to give your scooter a significant performance boost. It's perfect for 49 cubic centimeters, 50 cubic centimeters, and 139 QMB GY6 engines. It will increase your scooter's horsepower and torque, leading to better acceleration and a noticeable increase in speed. Expect a 5 to 10 miles per hour boost. It's built to last with a strong steel cylinder, an alloy piston ring, and an aluminum piston. You're getting reliable, durable parts. Installing this kit is simple and straightforward. A detailed instruction manual is included to guide you through the process. Everything you need is included: a 50mm cylinder block, a racing CDI, and spark plugs. It's ready to install and enhance your scooter's performance. We're confident in our product. If you're not satisfied, we offer a 1-year replacement warranty with no questions asked. What we like. This kit boasts a significant horsepower increase thanks to its upgraded components. If you're looking for a noticeable speed and acceleration improvement and don't mind a more involved installation, this kit is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those seeking a performance edge. What people say. No problem with the install, had it done in a couple hours, and this was my first BBK install. My 49 cubic centimeters GY6 was topping out at 35 miles per hour, now it goes 48 miles per hour on flat land no problem. Takeoff and hills are light years better as well. Worked perfectly first install. Everything fit to specs on my 50 cubic centimeters 139 QMB block. I ride every day, and have put over 2K miles on it with no issues. Installed 1 on long case P Sports, 2 on short case P Sport. Upgraded from 50 cubic centimeters to 100 cubic centimeters, talk about speed. Number 3. Glixal GY6 Kit. Upgrade your GY6 engine with this high-performance kit. It's designed to boost power and enhance your riding experience. This kit is specifically designed for the GY6 139 QMB 4-stroke engine. Make sure your engine is compatible before installation. With a 52mm inner diameter, it significantly increases your engine's displacement. This translates to more power and torque. The kit includes a piston with a 13 mm outer diameter piston pin. All components are precision engineered for a perfect fit. Everything you need is included: cylinder, piston, rings, pin, clips, seals, gaskets, and studs. It's a comprehensive rebuild kit. Transform your 49 cubic centimeters to 105 cubic centimeters scooter, moped, ATV, or go-kart. This kit delivers a noticeable performance boost. What we like. This kit offers a substantial upgrade in displacement, providing a noticeable power increase. If you want a complete kit in a larger bore size than the first option, but still want a relatively easy installation, this is a great option. It's perfect for those seeking a balance between performance and ease of installation. What people say. The quality of the product: the piston has a nicer skirt than the cheaper brands. Ease of installation and the power gains. All gaskets, C-clips, rings, wrist pin included. Came with the rubber gasket to replace the one on valve cover. Nice casting. Even has company logo. Installed fairly easy. No need to bore out case hole. I am doing 55 miles per hour and can do more but haven't because on a scooter with 10 inches wheels, over 55 miles per hour and things can get a little squirrely. Been running with this over a month and no issues. This seems like a clone of the expensive RUTU 90 cubic centimeters kit. It's not a 105 cubic centimeters, it's a 90 cubic centimeters. The casting and machining are good and the cylinder had a good cross-hatching pattern. Number 2. Trkimal 100 cubic centimeters kit. Transform your scooter's performance with this kit. It's designed to boost power and speed, giving you an exhilarating ride. This kit increases your engine's displacement to 100 cubic centimeters. Enjoy significantly improved acceleration and top speed. It features a precisely engineered 64 mm valve length for optimal airflow and combustion. This ensures peak performance. The kit is designed for straightforward installation. You can easily upgrade your scooter's engine without professional help. Everything you need is included: cylinder, head, camshaft, gaskets, oil pump, clutch springs, and more. It's a comprehensive upgrade. Experience higher RPM, increased power, and a faster maximum speed. This kit delivers a noticeable performance boost. The kit includes a racing CDI and a high-performance spark plug for enhanced ignition and combustion efficiency. This ensures optimal engine performance. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need for a smooth installation process. If ease of installation is your priority, and you want a significant upgrade to your scooter's performance, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a powerful upgrade without the hassle of sourcing individual parts. What people say. Installed this kit, just the jug, head, cam, rockers, and took it for a test ride. Wow! Worth it. Acceleration is substantially improved. 0 to 30 miles per hour is no longer a concern for pulling out in traffic. Install from plastic removal to test running was about 3 hours. Only special tools, a torque wrench for head bolts and a feeler gauge for valve setting. Even ring end gap was to spec out of the box. Number 1. Kymlaa GY6 100 cubic centimeters kit. Transform your scooter's performance with this kit. It's designed to give you a significant power boost and increased speed. This kit increases the engine's displacement to 100 cubic centimeters. Enjoy enhanced power and acceleration. It features a precisely engineered 69 mm valve, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. This kit is designed for straightforward installation. You'll be back on the road quickly. Everything you need is included: cylinder, head, camshaft, gaskets, and more. It's a comprehensive upgrade solution. Experience higher RPMs, more power, and a faster top speed. It's a total performance upgrade for your scooter. The included racing CDI and spark plug ensure optimal ignition for maximum power output. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive upgrade package with a focus on ease of installation. If you value a straightforward installation process and want a complete performance upgrade, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for those who want a powerful upgrade without the hassle of sourcing individual parts. What people say. The power is night and day. Have no problem getting my Tau 50 pony up to 40 to 45 miles per hour now, and quickly. Pulls wheelies fairly easily now as well. Now she out-accelerates my wife's car from 0 to 20 miles per hour, top speed 45 miles per hour on the flat, going up a 6% grade hill she holds 35 miles per hour. Everything arrived in its proper packaging. Nothing was missing. Everything fit like it should. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.